हेलो चैंपियंस, नॉलेज पॉइंट में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम NTA UGC नेट पेपर 1 के चैप्टर 1 जो कि टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड है उसके कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन द लर्नर इज सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड इट इज टर्म्ड एज पेडागोजिकल लर्निंग, एंड्रागोजिकल लर्निंग, डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन लर्निंग, नन ऑफ द अबव। इसका आंसर है बी, एंड्रागोजिकल लर्निंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, instructional objectives are written for the student and they state what the student is expected to do. These objectives should be A. Specific, B. Observable, C. Measurable, or D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Next question. In context of dynamic teaching environment, which of the following statement is true? Option A. Teacher is a dependent variable and student is an independent variable. Option B. Teacher is an independent variable and student is a dependent variable. Option C. Both teacher and student are intervening variables. Option D. Teaching is not linked with any variable. The answer is B. Teacher is an independent variable and student is a dependent variable. Next question is, at which of the following teaching levels is classroom environment required to be sufficiently open and independent? A. Memory level, B. Understanding level, C. Reflective level, or D. All of the above. The answer is C. Reflective level. Next question. What is meant by the term curriculum? A. The subject of study offered by an educational institution. Option B. Organized whole of learning and other experiences provided by educational institutions to realize set goals. Option C. The prescribed syllabi in various subjects plus practical courses and project dissertation. Option D. Theory and practical courses to be completed to qualify for a level of education. The answer is B. Organized level of learning and other experiences provided by educational institution to realize set goals. Next question. The classification of cognitive domain was presented by A. Benjamin S. Bloom, B. Skinner, C. Krathwohl, D. Simpson. The answer is A. Benjamin S. Bloom. Next question. To make use of previously learned material in new situation is A. Comprehension, B. Application, C. Knowledge, or D. Analysis. The answer is B. Application. Next question. The highest level of cognitive domain is A. Synthesis, B. Analysis, C. Comprehension, D. Evaluation. The answer is D. Evaluation. Next question. At authoritarian level, teaching is A. Teacher-centered, B. Child-centered, C. Headmaster-centered, or D. Experience-based. The answer is A. Teacher-centered. The intellectual skills and attitudes are respectively reflected by A. Cognitive and affective domains, B. Affective and cognitive domains, C. Affective and psychomotor domains, or D. Cognitive and psychomotor domains. The answer is A. Cognitive and affective domains. Next question. Consider the following statements. First, it is self-determined learning. Second, it is a student-centered instructional strategy. Third, it emphasizes the development of autonomy, capacity, and capability. The following teaching strategy is indicated as a result of these statements. A. Pedagogy, B. Pedagogy, C. Andragogy, or D. Tautology. The answer is B. Pedagogy. Next question. Which domain is concerned with physical and motor skills? A. Cognitive domain, B. Affective domain, C. Psychomotor domain, D. None of the above. The answer is C. Psychomotor domain. Next question. Which of the following can be cited as an example of cognitive domain? A. Describe a specific topic. B. Develop a photographic film. C. Type an essay. D. Take responsibility for maintenance. The answer is A. Describe a specific topic. Next question. Which of the following can be taken as an example of psychomotor domain in the context of teaching? A. Demonstrates awareness to environmental pollution. B. Performing an experiment. C. Computing the results of 2 experiments. D. Narrating a story. The answer is B. Performing an experiment. Next question. Which of the following statements is false? A. Teaching and instructions are the same concepts. B. There is difference between teaching and learning. C. Education is a wider term than teaching, training, research, etc. Or D. All of the above are true. The answer is A. Teaching and instruction are the same concepts. Next question. Teaching is based upon the mastery of A. Knowledge of concepts. B. Teaching skills. C. Decision-making skills. D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Which of the following is the teaching maxims? First, from psychological to logical. Second, from analysis to synthesis. Third, from concrete to abstract. Fourth, follow nature. The answer is D. All of the above. Thank you.